So here we are on our songs we did in class. Second song at this time is Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. And you can, in future, you can click on this B to watch this video of the song and the words and all of that. For now, I'm going to click on this, so I'm actually recording this. I'm going to enlarge. Now, just so you know, if you hold down Control or Command and a scroll button, this is in Firefox only. Hold down the Command button or the window or the Control. I forget what it is in Windows. On Mac, it's the Command button. And use your scroll wheel. You can make this bigger, or you can make it really big. Unusably big, but I'm going to make it right about to here because that suits our purposes well. Okay, and scroll up to the top to see the title because I forget already. Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. And we have verse, chorus, end. But these are easy chords, C and G. Oh, there's that F chord though. Mainly C and G though. In the twilight glow I see her. Now strumming, I would just strum a couple times, and I'm doing all down strokes. In the twilight glow I see her. Blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Scroll up here. Now also on your screens, I eliminated it for this recording, but over here on the bottom right of your screen, you're going to have an up arrow and down arrow, and clicking those will take you down or up about 60%. 60% of your screen space, that is. F. Love is like a dying ember. Only memories remain. Here's this dash because it changes chords halfway through the words. Through the word remain. Through the ages I'll remember. Blue eyes crying in the rain. I'm going to scroll up, and I'm going to speed up just a little bit. Now my hair has turned to silver. All my life I've loved in vain. I can see her star in heaven. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder. Now I'm gonna change to a little fancier strumming. You can do, strumming's pretty much whatever feels good to you. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again. In a land that knows no parting. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Blue eyes eyes crying in the rain. And that's something you'll hear Bill Chase and I do a lot. We'll play the last chord and stop, and then we'll hit the last chord again. So it's blue eyes crying in the rain. That just gives a nice finish to the song.